Another beautiful day. So let's get out of the house, get outside, and let's start getting busy. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hello and welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing if you do, or ring that bell down there so you're notified when the videos do come out. Today is another beautiful day out, so don't sit inside the house and go stir crazy. Let's get out and start taking care of business. Get out to your garage or shop or whatever you got, and we're going to continue that checklist. In my case, I'm going to continue refurbishing my wood rack. So let's get in the shop and let's get going. My goal today, of course, it may not happen, but at least I have goals set to try to complete that today. If not, we'll finish it tomorrow. I have nothing but time right now, so I'm not in a major rush. Today, I want to give this a quick hand sand. So let's get busy. Gone through and gave this a quick sanding, smoothed it out. It is what it is. I can't get it any better. If I really wanted to get it better, basically I'd have to tear this all off and redo it because it's just not done right. So it's just the shop. It'll get by for now. I got my paint here. I got to make a run real quick. My wife has to go get some medication at the drugstore. Drive through, not going in. And when I get back, I'm going to paint the wall. Back from the store. Time to get painty. Looks pretty good. I'm very happy with it. You can see the difference between the new and the old. But as far as I'm going for now, got to get this side done. Then I can clean off all of my bench and I can continue over to that corner. I'm going to do this one wall. That's my goal after I finish with my rack. That is it for the day. I'm calling it easy day today. I got this painted. That was the main thing. So tune in tomorrow. We're going to continue this every day. We're going to come out here, spend some time, and that's the purpose of this video every single day now. I want you to get out and do something in your garage, in your house. Just start doing something. Don't sit around and go stir crazy. This is a prime time to use to your advantage, as I am using to mine. Time to get these things done. Since we have to be away from others, and we're not really confined, but we should limit our exposure, there's no better time than get these little things done. And that's the only reason why I'm doing these every single day, because it takes a lot for me to do these. Have to go in, staying up till sometimes 3 in the morning to get the videos edited and try to figure out a line, figure out a thumbnail. This isn't easy. Once a week is about all I can handle. I'm doing these almost every day. That's a challenge for me. Serious challenge. But I want you to be motivated. I want you to get out. I want you to do something like I'm doing. Just get up, get out, and start doing. You don't have to sit around all day and veg in front of the TV. That's the only reason why I'm doing these every day. So you can see what I'm doing a little bit at a time. This keeps you sane, doing these, having somewhat of routine. Sadly, you may not be able to work, but you can do this. And as far as the bench goes, I would love to tear that out and put in a new one and put my cabinets up here. But I am only trying to utilize what I have, and I do have paint enough to do that. I don't have any plywood sheets to make a new bench or anything, so I'm have to limit what I do with what I have on hand, and that's what this is all about, utilizing what you already have. Maybe I can minimize what I have and start using it to do other things instead of it just piling up. So this is a good thing. Use it to your advantage. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. For your sanity. Get off the couch and get out there and do something. We will see you next video.